Hey up folks, today we have a Golf Mk7 with aftermarket Golf lights. So as you can see, they're currently not coded and we're going to code them on low beam. Right folks, we're in the car now, so we're going to go ahead and code the brake lights. We'll start off with the left brake light first. So this is the ArtiDiag EU, it comes with coding abilities. Let's scroll down to VW, there we are, select that. Select OK. So it's just currently scanning all the control modules in order for us to get access. By the way, you do need to be connected to the Wi-Fi because you have to log in securely into VW systems before you can actually start coding. It's known as online coding. I'll just demonstrate that before we go ahead and do the coding. So let's go into system selection. And what you're going to need is 09 Electronic Central Electric. And once it's in there, we're going to find an option to log in securely for the online coding. Select OK. And if we pop down here, as you can see there, you've got online secure login. So you have to do this before you can actually start coding. It's a security measure that VW has implemented in their vehicles. So let's go ahead and select that. So it's just going to connect to the server now. Right, if we pop down here, click to log in, and that's done it. We're now logged in. If we go back, click OK. So now that we're logged in, it gives us full access to modify any ECU parameter. So for our particular use case today, we need to go into adaptation, which is number 10. And we're specifically looking for the left brake light. Now, this particular tool is really powerful because usually with these tools that perform coding on VW vehicles, it's all in German, all these options being German, but this particular tool has done the translation. So when you're online looking for coding specifically for VW, you'll find a lot of the instructions will be in German. So you have to kind of do it the other way around. You have to be able to translate the German to the English. Because most of the instructions tend to be in German because a lot of the tools don't do the translation. So in our particular case, it's the left brake light. It's known as A71. So we just scroll down to that particular brake light. So we're after A71, and there we are. So light 20, left brake light A71. We'll select that. Okay. And then, so what we want to do is scroll down to light function C20 to enable those lights. If you just pop down here, see, as you can see, currently it's not active. So we're going to go ahead and activate that. Okay, it just takes a while to load. And then what we're after is, if you can see, if I just go through these different options, the one that we need is, just pop down here. Okay, I'm just going to scroll up. There we are. So it's the left low beam that we need. So we want that. So we want that particular light to be on when it's in the left low beam state. So I'm going to select that. And then now if we scroll down, we should be able to see light function C20, and it's left low beam. And we'll save that. Okay, that's saved. So now we're going to perform the same procedure on the rear right brake light. So if you just go back, and again we just scroll down. This time we're looking for light 21 right brake light C8. Here we are. Yeah, it's just below it. We're going to perform the exact same procedure on that. So if you scroll down, so it's C21 we're after. There currently you can see it's not active. And we're going to set that to the right low beam this time. There we are. Select that. Save that. Okay. Just want to make sure that we've set the correct value. Yep, that's saved. Yep, so save that. And that's it. That's pretty much to it. That's all there is to it. So what we'll do now is we'll pop out the car and we'll see if those lights have been coded. Right folks, here you have it. So you can see now previously those lights weren't on, they weren't coded, and now they've been coded to that particular option, the low beam. There you have it.